Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some breaking news that you definitely need to hear about. On Thursday, March 6th, 2025, two South Korean KF-16 fighter jets accidentally dropped 8 Mk-82 500-pound bombs on the village of Pocheon during a live fire drill. This is serious stuff, folks. Let's dive into the details. First off, let me give you an overview of the incident. Pocheon, a village northeast of Seoul, found itself suddenly thrust into chaos as bombs meant for a designated target area fell right into their midst. Pocheon is not some remote area, it's home to about 141,000 people. Imagine the panic and confusion. The damage was considerable. At least 15 people were injured, and several houses took a hit, with shattered windows, damaged roofing and debris scattered around. Fortunately, most buildings remained structurally intact, but the psychological impact on the residents, that's something that can't be easily repaired. So, what went wrong? Initial findings suggest pilot error. Apparently, one of the pilots input the wrong coordinates for the bombing run. This mistake caused the bombs to be abnormally discharged outside the designated live fire area. Can you imagine a simple error leading to such a catastrophic outcome? The South Korean Air Force has already issued an apology expressing their deep regrets and wishing the injured a speedy recovery. But this incident raises questions about the safety protocols and checks in place. How could something like this happen, especially with an unguided general-purpose bomb like the Mk-82? The KF-16, by the way, is the South Korean version of the American F-16 Fighting Falcon. It's a highly regarded aircraft known for its versatility and combat effectiveness. Yet even the best machines are only as good as the people operating them. There's also speculation that this drill might have been linked to Freedom Shield, a yearly joint military exercise with the US scheduled for March 10th, 2025. If that's the case, it makes you wonder about the implications for future military exercises. So what do you think about this incident? Should there be more stringent checks and balances in place for live fire drills? And drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for now, but stay tuned for more updates as this story develops. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest news and insights. This is your host signing off. Take care and stay informed.